Hello, my dear long-term investors. This is Bhuvi. So, I'm going to talk about the quarter three results of Tata Motors, and let's see, guys. So, Tata Motors gave a result for fifth consecutive quarter, which is they gave an improved performance for consecutive quarters. So their revenue for this quarter, which is up 25% at 1,10,577 crores, and it's also up 5% quarter on quarter. And the net profit is at 7,025 crore, and which is up 135% year on year and 86% quarter on quarter, which is remarkable. And the earnings before the EBITDA, interest, tax, and depreciation, which is EBITDA, which is at 15,800 crore, and it's 60% up year on year, and their EBITDA margin is at 14%. It's okay, nice. And the net automotive debt, which is the debt other than the finance company, because Tata Motors has a finance company called Tata Motors Finance, which this debt is excluding the Tata Motors Finance debt. So the net automotive debt is at 29,200 crore, and in Q3 they achieved 9,500 crore of debt reduction. So in this year they totally reduced 15,000 crore of debt. So let's see the standalone basis, which is their Europe unit, which is the cash cow of Tata Motors, which is JLR, Jaguar Land Rover. And Land Rover gave a revenue of 7.4 billion pounds. If you converted this to in INR, it results in 77,175 crore, and the profit is at 627 million pounds. So it would be result in 646 crores of Indian rupees. So JLR's free cash flow, that's why I talked about it as a cash cow. It gave a free cash flow of 626 million. And for the year to date, 626 million is also almost equal to 640 crores. So, and they gave a free cash flow for year to date on from January to December. It stands at 1.46 billion euros. Pounds. 15,231 crore of Indian rupees. It's free cash flow. So let's go to its commercial vehicle revenue, which is trucks and so everything includes. It's up 19% at 20,000 crore of revenues from commercial vehicle, and the private vehicle, which is a major part for Tata Motors. It's up 10.6% and resulting a revenue of 12,900 crore. And their EV market share is very, very, very solid. So why I'm saying is it has 73% of market share, and many talking heads say Tata Motors has no luxury segment cars in EV. So they said we have Avinya brothers. So they created a new luxury segment in EV. It's called Avinya, which will be launched soon. And Tata Motors planning to build a charging ports. Around 17,000. And one more thing is there is two type of shares, which is ordinary shares and DVR shares. If ordinary share of Tata Motors has one vote for one share, in DVR you can get one vote for 10 shares. So Tata Motor planned to eliminate the DVR share, and they said if you have 10 shares of DVR, we will give 7 shares of Tata Motors. So there is an arbitrage. So let's say at current market price, if you have bought 10 DVR shares, which is estimated around 6,150, and it will be changed into Tata Motors DVR shares, which will be 7 shares, cost around 6,489. So you can you can pocket around 300 rupees, which is 5% of your capital. It's a safe bet. Traders may ask, oh, who goes for 5%, man? I'm saying safe bet and also a investment for long term. Don't collapse between trading, guys. And nothing, and we can expect that JLR's order book is very comfortable, strong and solid. So we can expect another set of good revenues and profit from the Q4, and I hope the order book will be comfortable for them. And let's see for Q4 results. You may ask, have I invested in this company? Yes, I have invested when I was in in around 11th or 12th standard, which is around 2022 or 2023. Like sometime I have made a more than 100% profit in this stock. So okay, guys, and you will consider at your own valuation and at your own lens of aspects. So you should consider at your own terms. So don't go and buy as I said. And thanks, guys. This is just for educational purpose, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends, so it will motivate me